5 best work at home for introverts. Unlock the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So hey guys, and welcome. In this video we'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So the first one we have here, Promos. All I have to do is go to Google Play and type Promos, and this is the application. All I have to do is submit this application. We have here over than $10 million. So let's get started to earn money completing task surveys or taking photos. So to make money on Promos.com, start by signing up as a contributor on their platform that offers a variety of tasks, often involving data and collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys for, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money. As you typically receive payment upon task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So this is how you can earn money on promos, and let's move on to the next one. We have here Fairpicture. So this is fairpicture.com and this is the homepage. To make money on Fairpicture, you have just to start by signing up as a tester on their platform by clicking here login, and you write your personal information and you are done with your sign up. So Fairpicture specialized in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria, where you will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. So to maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitations, and deliver draw high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So this is how it works with Fairpicture. And let's move into the next one. We have here surveytime.io. So this is the homepage of Surveytime, and if you want to sign up, all I have to do is click over here and enter your email address and your password. Then you click over agree to the terms of service and you are done with your sign up. If we scroll down, we have here how it works. First of all, you have to sign up for Surveytime for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, then start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So to earn money on Surveytime, start by sign up for an account on their platform. Surveytime connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you'll receive notifications about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards, as Surveytime offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed. Payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings regularly, check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earnings. Then let's move into the next one. We have PaperTrue. So this is the homepage of PaperTrue. And to make money on PaperTrue, you can start by signing up as a freelancer on their platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you'll be able to take on editing assignments where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. So, to maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So let's come back to the top. Here we have which service do you need: business, academic, author, and job applicant. Then let's move on to the next one we have here, Metro Opinion. So to make money on Metro Opinion, you have just start by sign up for an account on their platform. You firstly choose your country, as you can see. Then you sign up. So how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. You have to sign up. You click over here, answer, and last one is get paid. After signing up on their platforms, which offers paid surveys opportunities after registration, you will receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money, and Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics of various interests. To maximize your earnings regularly, check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Moreover, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. And that's it with Major Opinion. And let's move on to the next one. We have Appen. So this is the homepage of Appen, and to earn money on Appen, begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in microtasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you will have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.